Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Welcome to my closet. So this is my scarf organizing hanger. Let me show you what the situation was before I used this.
So pretty horrifying. I have all my scarves rolled up into a container, and that is not good to see what I have or to keep things from getting wrinkled. So this hanging scarf organizer is exactly what I needed to keep things in order in my closet. It works great.
So this is really nice to organize ties or scarves or anything else that you want to hang. It is very roomy and very easy to load, and it keeps everything neat. I like it because by hanging the scarves up, not only can I see what I have a lot of space to hang a lot of scarves, but also it keeps them from getting wrinkled because they're not folded up or rolled into a ball and stuffed somewhere, which is usually what I do with things if I don't have a place to organize. So this is working really well for me, and that is my point of view.